What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you do not know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur and I make a video almost every single day until I hit $30,000 a month. So today we are printing out stickers. We're starting early. My printer decided to spit out most of the papers on the ground. Love that about this Epson. But we're gonna be doing customer orders, try to get an FBA shipment out as well, but that'll be the end of the video. And then if you do not know, at the very end of the video, I'll go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. So let's go get started. All right, guys, so we are done with orders, but I do have some exciting news. I just got hats in and I want to be doing some color combinations. So we're going to go over those together. I also have my prints over there. So just come and watch and enjoy and help me find what color combinations are cool. And if there are some that you're like, oh, that could be cool, comment down below, let me know what you think about them. But I'm gonna get a few out to the trailer today. I need to do a restock, so we're gonna get a couple new ones in there and then a couple old bestsellers, so enjoy. What? All of them like this? Guys, I hope you're seeing all this. These maroon hats, the tops are just coming right off the, okay, so these look strong. Oh, they're just coming off. This one just fell right off. This is crazy. I gotta tell them about all these are broken. Like, these are fine. Guys, there's a problem with that. I can't sell these hats. Maroon's out for now. These are fine, they're not coming off. But the other ones just came literally right off. You guys saw that, right? Okay, I gotta get a refund on these. So these are not going in right now. So I need to figure that out. I don't even want to do color combinations with this because I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to sell these at all. So these are going back. Guys, we got the new hats out. We got the green and khaki. We got the maroon and gold. We have the olive and brown, the red and blue, and then the green and whites. And I'm sending these all off to the trailer right now. So I gotta drop that off, and then I gotta drop 2 packages off at the UPS. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys Monday. Now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting with Shopify, we made $69.17. We made $78.42 on eBay, and we made $271.63 on Amazon. So a total of $419 in revenue yesterday. So now we are at a revenue of $10,575. So, you know, we're not where we want to be, but it's not bad. I can't complain, but we want to be hitting 30K a month. So if you want to see me hit 30K a month, please subscribe down below and give me a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, and also help other people find my videos as well. So I will see you guys Monday. Have a great rest of your day. Peace out.